Hi everyone, this is Cassandra Castaneda. I am presenting uh, our data meeting 4 with Amani Craig. Our agenda was we met over the course of the week. We began our discussion October 14th until today. The purpose of the meeting was to complete data formatting and complete the data plan action sheet. We're communicating using Google Doc, email, and text. The reason we used various ones is because our busy work schedules, we found it best that we can edit in one document and as well as communicate much faster rather than being on the phone with one another to make those corrections for our data sheet. This is our data plan tracking sheet. Our exploratory question: how can the information provided in the IEPs for students that receive special education services and data standardized assessments be used to inform instruction and improve students' learning outcomes? The goal: the class average on assignments for Learning Objective 3 will increase from 4.912 to 7.5 after 4 weeks of targeted instruction. IEP students will add using manipulatives, and small group students will use linking cubes to create and add one onto a tower according to the teacher directions. The benchmark would be at least 80% accuracy. This will be done twice a week for 15 minutes. To verify that this is being done, as students create their towers in response to the teacher directions, the teacher will record anecdotal notes about the students' responses and their thinking. IEP students will add using manipulatives and write number sentences to match. In small groups, students will use linking cubes to create and add onto the tiles according to the teacher directions. Then students will write an equation that matches what they just did. This will also require at least 80% accuracy. This will be done twice a week. To verify this, as students create their own towers and write their corresponding equations, the educator will record notes about the students' responses and their thinking. Part 2 of our data sheet, all students will add using manipulatives. Using the math application, students will complete all the addition levels using virtual cubes. This will require 100% accuracy. This will be done daily. And then to see if it's all done properly, data reports will be created by the ST Math application shared to the educator's profile. The educator can print these reports and bring them to upcoming data meetings. All students will complete daily fluency worksheets with a mixture of picture-based problems and problem equations. Students will work independently to complete a series of addition problems. And this will also require 80% accuracy. This will be done daily. The worksheets will be collected and organized according to the day in which they were administered. And lastly, all students will use Unifix cubes to add two parts together to find a whole. Students will write down addition equations to match what they did. Students work independently to combine Unifix cubes in various ways. They will record their method in the form addition equation. This will also require at least 80% accuracy. This will be done twice a week. To verify that they're understanding, the recording form students use to write their addition equation will be collected and organized according to the data in which they were administered. This was our data meeting. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a great day.